Today is the last day you can make any changes to your monthly child tax credit payment. The IRS says if you need to opt out, get a direct deposit instead of a paper check, change your bank account information, update your mailing address, or correct your 2021 income level, November 29th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern is it. Now, let me be very clear. As it stands today, your last monthly child tax credit payment will be issued on December 15th. There will be no more monthly payments after that. That's because the monthly child tax credit payment will expire. To extend it, Congress needs to pass a new law. Currently, an extension of this monthly child tax credit payment is included in the Build Back Better bill. And yes, that bill passed the House, but it has not yet passed the Senate. And it's very unclear if it will. So if you like these payments and you want them to continue in 2022, you probably should call your senator and tell him or her to vote yes on that bill. And if you think these payments are completely useless, you can call your senator and let him or her know that as well. Also, the option to add a 2021 baby to the monthly child tax credit payment system is still not available, and at this point, it's not going to happen for 2021. So don't freak out. If you qualify, you will still be able to get the full child tax credit payment for your new baby when you file your 2021 taxes in 2022. Lastly, for all of you who receive the monthly child tax credit payment, as long as you financially qualify and none of your kids have turned 18 at any point this year, you will claim the remaining 50% of your child tax credit balance on your 2021 taxes. It's important for you to understand that credit can be offset by taxes or other specific debts that are owed. If you switch off claiming your child with the other parent, if you're wondering if you're going to have to pay any of this money back, what types of debt can be garnished from the 50% of the credit that is remaining, go to the child tax credit category on my page. I have a 10-part Q&A series that answers all of your most popular questions. The so-called CMS COVID-19 vaccine mandate for healthcare workers is on pause temporarily in 10 states. This comes after a 32-page ruling came down today from a federal district court judge in Missouri. The judge granted a preliminary injunction as this case continues to play out. It's not over yet, but the pause only will apply to the 10 states included in this particular lawsuit. Those states are Alaska, Arkansas, Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Wyoming. The judge says it was necessary to pause this mandate as the case continues to play out because he says it's likely those 10 states will eventually prove that the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid overstepped its authority, and continuing the vaccine mandate would likely cause healthcare facilities themselves to suffer staffing shortages. You'll remember the CMS mandate requires employees at healthcare facilities who receive money from Medicare or Medicaid to be fully vaccinated by January 4th. At this point, that deadline will continue for other states not included in this lawsuit. It's important to also note there are several other lawsuits from other states over this very same CMS mandate, but not every judge agrees with this one in Missouri. In fact, one federal district court judge in Florida already decided not to block the CMS mandate as that case plays out in her courtroom. Again, each of these federal vaccine mandates are separate. Just because one may be put on pause doesn't mean the others are put on pause. And just because one may be stopped doesn't mean all of them will be stopped.